Welcome back everybody. Today I will be setting up RFGarage, a plugin I have modified a little bit for extra features. This plugin allows you to store your vehicles in the cloud, you could say. It's a lot like vaults, but for garages instead. So first you want to add the plugin to your server, which has to be Rocketmod in this case. Then you want to start your server so that the configuration file is added automatically. Then you will want to find the configuration. So first go to Rocket, Plugins, and then go to RFGarage. In this translation file you can modify the messages that the plugin sends to players. So for example, if they retrieve a car, you can change it to, for example, say to this, for example. So now we have the configuration. The recommended database is probably LightDB. You can select the message caller that the plugin uses and the image. You can have auto clear the stored vehicles to true if you want the stored vehicles to disappear directly instead of laying on the ground. You can also enable to automatically add a vehicle to garage when it drowns. Auto garage drown permission, this is the permission needed to use this feature. This is my feature I added so that you can configure a time before vehicles are automatically added to a player's garage. So if it's set to -1, nothing will happen, it will be disabled. But if you put it to 0, as soon as the player leaves, all their vehicles are added to their garage. But if you set it to 1 or anything else, like 100, it will wait that many seconds before it automatically adds the vehicle to their garage. Default garage slot is the default amount of vehicles a player can have in their virtual garage. And if you have this true, then it won't care about this when the player leaves, only when the player uses /garage add. Garage slot permission prefix is the permission node before the number of vehicles. So for example, you would want this permission if you want a player to be able to store 10 vehicles. Then comes the blacklists. First comes barricade, and this is the bypass permission. So if a vehicle has any of these barricades on it, then it won't garage add. Same with items. If the vehicle has any of these items in the trunk storage or in a crate on the vehicle, then it won't garage add. You can blacklist vehicles, so if you try to add a vehicle with an ID within this list, then it won't allow you to. Then comes another barricade blacklist, and another item blacklist, and another vehicle blacklist. So as you can see, you can use different bypass permissions to bypass each blacklist. So that should be the plugin itself, but we also want to add the permission to use the plugin. So we will add add, list, and garage retrieve. Save the file and either reload permissions or restart your server. As you can see, I have the permissions here. Let's try adding this vehicle. Nice, it works. And now let's retrieve it. First I check my garage, and as you can see it's in there. So I will retrieve it. Nice, it works. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and see ya.